Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, what you will study?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning.
Morning, madam. Ma'am, good morning.
Mic on and video off. Mic off and video on. Mic off and video
Good
on.
morning.
Everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Video should be on. Video must be on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Video must be on, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Now keep your mics off. Now keep your mics off. I can see Shobhit, your mic is on. Shobhit Gupta, please keep your mic on. All right. Where is Shaurya Tyagi? Shaurya.
I am here.
Beta, what we have done last time, Shaurya?
Ma'am, last time we had done 2 more questions of exercise 1.
Which questions, Shaurya? Yes, Shaurya, which question?
Ma'am, you gave us a homework of number names.
Number names. Box place value chart we have made. How many questions we have done of place value chart? Pranav, what are you showing? I'm not going to see this. Stop it, Pranav. Everyone open your camera and show me your face. Shaurya, what we were doing?
You gave us a homework on number names.
I gave you homework on number names. Okay. Right. Make a place value chart. Uska diya tha, make a place value chart ka. All right. Send me your work quickly.
Ma'am, I have done number names.
Who asked you? Jasreena that you have done. Beta, Jasreena tha ya Jaskaranti kaun tha ye? Jasreena. Send me the answers. Send me the answers quickly. Send me the answers quickly. Send me your answers and open your video, everyone. Akshada, Agrita, Jasreena, Yashmit, Adharhan, Yatharth, Kanav, and who is this username? I'll just remove you from the meeting if you'll not switch on your camera. Who is this user?
Ma'am, I'm sending the homework.
Who is user here with the name user? Whosoever is it, please change your name.
I'm changing my name.
Acha, Samarth. Okay, Samarth. Open your cameras, everyone. Kanav, Bhavya, Varshita, Jasreena, Maisha. Open your cameras. Show me the answers. Quickly. Send me your answers. Don't wait. Send me the answers quickly. I'm just explaining it to her. It's question mark, stop exclamation mark. Beta, who is sending me personally? Jasreena, no need to send any personal answers. Send it on the group. How many personal messages I will see? This shouldn't take long, Beta. It's quite simple. Quickly send me. I did not got. Okay, I got the answer from Shaurya Tyagi only. I told you I will ask this question next time. है ना Shaurya Tyagi? Okay, I got it. Okay, very nice, very good. Okay, Shaurya send me the answer. Samarth send me the answer. Jasreena send me the answer. Very good. Very good.
Shall we start discussing? I don't think this should take much time. All right.
This is wrong, Jasreena, not this one. I'm not asking for this one.
Problem anyone?
Jasreena, this is the wrong page, beta. I'm asking you for page number 8. Jasreena, I've given homework of page number 8.
Yeah. What's going to come here?
शौर्य त्यागी
Full stop. Correct. Everyone's
बेटा कैन यू डू मी
Yes,
फेवर
ma'am.
जैसे आपने अभी तक जितना भी काम करा दिया मैंने उसका एक पीडीएफ बनाकर के सेंड कर
Okay,
सकते हो
ma'am.
मुझको ओके अभी नहीं यू कैन सेंड इट आफ्टर द क्लास
full day. But
ओके जैसे आपने पहले भेजा
Okay,
था
ma'am.
वैसे ही सेंड कर दो प्लीज एंड आई
Okay,
मिस
ma'am.
योर चॉकलेट I have not given you chocolate because you did not come to me at the meeting. Now, Shaurya, you remember which chocolate I'm talking about?
question mark or exclamation mark?
Beta, Panchul, what is the spelling of 90? And open your camera, Panchul. Open your camera, Jaskaran. Have you done the homework? Have you done the homework?
Exclamation mark.
Ma'am, which?
Beta, homework.
So then that's
Page number 8, number names I have given you. Question B, I have given you. There are so many those who are not there.
all right. Are they done?
Ma'am, one.
Correct. Are you waiting for the bus?
Ashray is here.
So question mark. Okay. Abhi. Next one.
All right. Panchul, what is the spelling of 90?
Yes.
Ma'am, NINETY.
And you have what you have written?
Ma'am, NINTY.
Sentence of
This corrected. Yes, correct, beta. Ashray, correct.
Full stop. Yes.
Kanav, Naisha,
My mother is
Athar Gupta, Varshita, all of them sent me. Okay, now let's do the next question. Do one thing, everyone, now. Do question C also. Page number 8, question C, math book.
Don't
Maths book, question C.
Full stop.
Ma'am, I've done.
Who asked you to do it?
The next one.
Who asked you to do it? Don't do the things beforehand. Otherwise, you will sit in the class and disturb the whole class.
The best
Because you have done it, you will play other things now. पहले से कुछ नहीं करना है, okay? Start doing question C. Start doing question C.
Question mark.
Maths book question C.
Can I borrow? You asking a question. Can I borrow some books from you? Question mark. All right. Nimul, the next
Maths book question page 8.
again. Tell me again. No, this is not borrow.
अच्छा question C is your maths homework. चलो make it as your homework. Don't do it now.
Switch off the television and
Don't do it now. Wait a second, everyone. Wait a second. Do it as homework.
you're ordering someone.
Okay? Do it as maths homework. This is the homework.
Ma'am, but I have started doing.
So if you started, let it be. But this is your homework. अभी उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दो because I'm going to teach you something else. Take a
Okay, ma'am.
screenshot of it, everyone. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it of homework today.
Absolutely right. Now let's start doing the fifth one. This is quite simple.
Start doing it.
You just have to choose the correct option.
Maths book, page 8, question C, homework.
And you choose the correct option. Let's start with this.
All right. Now, everyone, open your maths notebooks. Now, everyone, open your maths notebook. quickly. Maths notebook, you can continue from the same page if you have the space there. You can continue from the same page if you have.
Ma'am, I not have space.
If you don't have, start from a new page, obviously. Okay. Now on a page, take out maths books, page 8. Now listen, what do you need a number name? Number name, you have already done this, but I'm going to tell you how to write a number name. How to write a number name. See here, as you know, there is 3 friends, ones, tens and hundreds. In तीनों का एक group है. And thousands and 10,000s thousands and thousands makes one group. So if you have a number like 2,000, if I'm giving you 20, 81,000.
दिख नहीं रहा. My
So if I have given you this question, 21,050, how will you write it? See, how many thousands are here? How many thousands are here?
21.
21,000. Then you will put a comma here. And it is given 50. And it is given 50. So if you are going to write 50 like this, you are absolutely wrong. Why? Because there should be how many digits? There should be 3 digits. There should be 3 digits. But how many digits are these?
Ma'am,
How many digits are these? 2 digits. So हम third digit का क्या करें अब? What we do about third digit? Somebody said we will place one zero like this. What it will become?
it is 500.
It is 500, but it is given 50 here. But it is given 50 here. So later we will put one zero in the beginning.
Then we will write 0
Not
in 100.
afterwards. We will put the 0 in the beginning, not afterwards. Okay. अगर 5 दिया होता तो यहाँ क्या लिखते? Tell me quickly. अगर वहाँ पे 21,005 दिया होता तो क्या लिखते? 005. Very good. Okay.
At the first place it is 5.
अथर्व गुप्ता जल्दी बोला करो. Okay, don't sing the answers. Okay, do not sing the answers. Okay, now take out your maths pair notebooks and start doing these questions. Take out your maths pair notebook. Start doing this. Take out maths pair notebooks. Ara, keep it aside. Whatever is in your hand, keep it aside and keep your cameras on. I want to see that all of you are doing this work.
मैम हमें कॉपी में करनी है.
बेटा, what is written at the top? रेड कलर से क्या लिखा है?
मैथ्स फेयर नोटबुक.
तो इसका मतलब कहाँ क्या होता है? कहाँ पर करोगे इसको?
कॉपी में.
Very good. Notebook means copy. So I will not say copy. I will say maths fair notebook. Okay?
Yes.
Maths book or maths fair notebook or any rough notebook. These 3 things are to be used in maths. And beta, once you complete question B, leave 2 lines in between and draw this black line also when you complete question B.
Okay, ma'am.
And I want to see everyone, those who are present over here, all your answers.
I love that dress because it has an exclamation mark.
Just give me a second. Okay, you start doing this. Chalo. You know how to place the comma? You all know how to place
Yes,
the
ma'am.
comma? Very good. Ones, tens, 100 से पहले आता है comma.
You have to read the sentence and then you have to write whether it is assertive, if it is assertive, you write I. If it is exclamatory, you write E, and if it is interrogative, you write I N. So will you all continue doing this? I'll just be back in a second. Alright.
If you have any problem, you can ask me in these questions. In questions,
we have
कोई
to
problem है
leave
तो
line.
हाँ
We have to leave line, ma'am.
what Jasmina, are you asking
I
something?
cannot see
And
the
we have to
screen.
draw that line where the
Send
words
this
are
in
written, write the
WhatsApp.
number names and write the
No
number.
बेटा वो margin है, वो margin है. Simple सी बात है. Margin है obviously अगर margin भी उधर लिखा है तो. Jasmina, were you asking something?
Ma'am, we have to write WhatsApp number also. I cannot see screen. Please send on WhatsApp.
Just speaking in between. Yes, Jasmina, what were you saying?
Ma'am, we have to leave line.
Yes, all of you have to send it on WhatsApp and I'll remember the names of those who are not sending me. Those who are not sending, I'll just consider them absent.
हाँ बताइए.
कितना दिन के
Let me mark your attendance by the time. Just give me a sec. This is Moon C, right? I'm keeping all of you on mute so that nobody can speak. If you have any problem, you can type it.
Who else is finished with it? Who else? Raj, Raj, what about you?
Yashwant. Yashwant का सबसे पहले नाम आता है तो आप क्या?
Shall we start discussing this? Okay, we will have to tell the first one. Very easy.
Akshita, Arman, Amrita is absent.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बेटा, बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Is there?
Yes, absolutely right. This is not okay. So we can write I am in this one. Divyansh, the next one.
Present. Atharvita. Prabhakarpal absent. Atharvita present. Ayushman present.
Divyansh.
Bhavya Rastogi present. Pratap Singh.
Yes, Divyansh, where are you?
Jaskaran Singh Taneja. Bhavya Daksh. Harveen is also new. Harveen is new. Jaskaran.
Alright, so I'm going to on the meeting, you will not answer. Yes, I will talk.
Present.
I want to raise you.
Jasrina. Jasrina. Pranav is there.
Yes, absolutely right. This is an assertive sentence.
Pranav is there. Kunal is
How
there.
many?
Motion Nature. It is sweet motion. Aisha. Yes. Ashray, if you will not change your name, I'll mark you absent. Never changes his name. Aisha.
Apni, Olivia.
This Pallavi, Palvini, Pancho,
Yes, beta.
Palvini,
Third one I'm asking you.
Mishra,
Apni.
Parmeet, Pranav, Rena, Parmeet, Pranav, Rena.
Yes, this is an assertive sentence. It's telling you something that
Sanvi,
is full
Samar,
of sad stories. Correct. Okay, Riyansh, the next one.
Samar, Shobit, Yagi, Shobit, Harshita, Yatharth. Virat
Absolutely right.
Virat is present. Virat is present.
Next one.
Bhamika.
Vidyansh. This is your last chance because I'm moving to Vidyansh. Why are you
Yes,
not
sir.
listening to me, Vidyansh?
Was
I've spoken your name so many times.
Authority is present.
Yes, tell me the key
Rajita
one.
is present.
Key one.
Ojasvi is present. Harveen is present. Okay. Alright.
So what is this? What kind of sentence is this? Have you seen the spider?
Virat has got it.
I
Virat
can
has
that interrogative sentence. Yes, Virat, the next one. Yes, imperative sentence. Very good. This is imperative sentence. Okay, Mehul, the next one again.
Okay, I'm keeping you on mute.
Yes, this is exclamatory
Wait a
sentence.
second.
Because it
I'm
has
just
exclamation
using
mark. Absolutely right. The last one.
Well, 3 number. Okay, Akshita, you send it. I know. Number name till crores. Kana, who asked you? Here you are. I think you are the most intelligent one in the class. Nobody else is.
Meaning, no, it's not just everything. Don't step out. कोई आपसे कह रहे कि बाहर मत निकलना. What does this here mean? Adina,
Me, ma'am.
yes, it's
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, excuse beta.
someone is telling
Yes,
that
excuse.
See my abacus. See my abacus.
किसका abacus देखना है? Tell me your name.
My Ashray Agarwal.
आश्रय, आप मुझे कितनी बार अपना abacus दिखाएंगे वैसे बेटा? How many times will you show me your abacus? Tell me the number of times you will show me your abacus. I will see your abacus that much times.
So what we have to do?
हाँ आश्रय, how many times will you show me your abacus?
Next page you can see there are 5 lines.
Okay, 4C, Shaurya has sent. Shaurya sent me. Shaurya, do beta, send both answers to me, not only one. Send both of them.
Ma'am, see.
Punctuation mark is
Who is asking C? Because I can't see your window. Because I'm sharing my whiteboard here.
actually taken from this table only.
Okay, so for Shaurya, first answer is correct.
Make your own sentences. Let's see how you are able to do. Let's start with this.
Okay, Shaurya, very good. Beta, send both answers to me together. Okay, send both
Okay, ma'am.
answers to me.
On the next page, see, page
Ma'am, I have done.
Otherwise,
Can
half
I
of the student will send me half answer. कुछ लोग मुझे first answer भेजेंगे, कुछ लोग second answer नहीं भेजेंगे.
yes, but they have to be. Yes, you may use the words and symbols more than once. You can. Okay. So start everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent the number name of the third. Is the correct answer?
Let me check it, beta. Have you sent me on WhatsApp, beta?
No, ma'am, at the chat box.
Okay, let me check. Wait a second. First lecture is 7:30 to 10:30. Next lecture will start at 10:30. Okay. At the chat box. Okay, let me check it. Okay, ma'am, I need 3 number name. 10. Yes, beta, it's correct. Yes, Akshita, it is correct. Akshita, I think you know the answers, but you are not confident that your answers are correct. Akshita, is it so? Because
Yes,
most of the बेटा इतना confidence क्यों नहीं है आपको? आप बिल्कुल ठीक करती हो. You know that, Akshita. But you don't. I think you don't like maths. You are scared of maths. दिमाग में पहले ये सोचती है मैं डरती हूँ maths से, है ना? Akshita, is it so?
Very late.
पहले ही सोच रखा है कि मैं maths से डरती हूँ. तो इस वजह से अब नहीं, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, पहले ये सोच लेती हूँ, है ना अक्षता?
No, ma'am,
आपको
but
पता है, आप पता है बेटा, आपको आता होता है, यू नो द आंसर्स, यू नो द करेक्ट आंसर्स, लेकिन आपको कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं होता है मैं ठीक भी कर रही हूँ या नहीं, गलत कर रही हूँ मैं मैथ्स में गलत कर दूंगी। इज इट सो अक्षता?
yes, ma'am.
बिकॉज आप ठीक करती हो बेटा, बी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन योरसेल्फ, ओके? आप बहुत अच्छा करती हो मैथ्स में,
Okay.
जब इतना अच्छा करती है तो डरती क्यों? You should not be scared of maths. Palvini is present today. Ashray Agarwal, if you will not change your name, I'll throw you out of the meeting. There are so many students, those who are not switching on their camera. I know their names: Pranav Agarwal, Ayushman Saxena, Arhan, Shobhit, Kunal, Ashutosh, Rena, Arav,
Ma'am, I
Kanav.
am eating
In the
breakfast.
mic on. Their mics are always on, but their cameras are off. I don't know why.
Ma'am, now please check. I have sent both the answers.
Okay, I am checking. शौर्य बेटा मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पे पूरा पेज भेज दो। अच्छा, डोंट लीव इट, मत भेजो, नहीं भेजो। अच्छा, Kanav also send me, Sanvi also send me. Okay, I'm checking one by one and I'll check your be here only. I will tell you your mistakes also. What mistakes are you making? Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, I'll start with Shaurya Tyagi ka first answer I've already checked. Now I'm checking Kanav's answer. Kanav 20,025, 89,009, 10,101, 55,500. Beta, don't take any help from parents. You will show it to me.
Ma'am, I am doing my.
Make more sentences. Be very good.
26,000, 16,008, 30,059. Okay, very nice, Kanav. Very good, excellent. Beta, who is this? Sanvi, do you have a scale? Sanvi, do you have a scale or not? Yes or no? Sanvi, can you hear me? Do you have a scale? Draw the lines with a scale first of all. Draw the lines with a scale. Use scale in maths and it is very, very important. 20,000, 25, 80,000, 89,000, 10,100, 55,500. And
And we have to send.
obviously, yes. 40,000, 26,000, 207, 16,000, 30,000. Okay, Sandy, answers are correct, but draw the lines with a scale. शौर्य त्यागी बेटा पूरी लाइन ड्रॉ किया करो, ओके? डोंट लीव half lines. 15,020. शौर्य त्यागी, what is the spelling of 40?
Ma'am, FORTY.
And what you have written?
2 minutes more, then we'll start discussing the answer. Okay? So quickly, children, those of you who watched the movie.
Okay, beta. Correct. Till Shaurya Tyagi, all are correct. Now I'm checking Palvini's answer. Palvini, improve your handwriting. It's very big. Write small letters, Palvini.
Okay, ma'am.
And where is your answer C, Palvini? And where are the commas?
Doing.
Comma किधर है? Comma किधर है? 20,000, 20 के बाद I put a comma there ना?
Yes,
Where are the
ma'am.
commas? Where are commas? Where is the comma? Palvini, are you taking help from your mummy?
No, ma'am.
पक्का? खुद से करना है?
Quickly, remove the
पांशुल, where is the first? बेटा पांशुल, आपका पहला आंसर नहीं आया, सेकंड वाला आ गया, लास्ट में आ गया.
Ma'am, it's
Okay,
it's after the.
okay, I'll
It's
check it.
after the
Okay, wait a second. I'm checking. Who is this? Panchul. The Panchul 20,000, 25, 80,000, 9,
most important to discuss. Just waiting for everyone.
500.
All right, let's start discussing.
Very nice, Panchul. All are correct. Very good.
Sentences have you written down? Let's see.
Who is this? Samarth Singh. Okay, Samarth. Excellent as usual. But Samarth, you have not written the answer of fifth one. Fifth numeral you have not written.
No, I'm writing it.
My mother has cooked.
Yatharth, where is question C? Jaspreena, leave one line in between. Don't do like this. Don't make it so.
My mother
Jaspreena.
a meal for
Okay, ma'am, I'll be doing C1.
Okay. And where is question C? Jaspreena, where is question C?
you can write have you seen
Ma'am, I'm doing. I'll be
Okay.
sending.
all right. He bought
अरे ये कौन है? पर प्रणव अग्रवाल बेटा कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया क्या? प्रणव कुछ समझ नहीं आया क्या? Are you not able to understand anything, Pranav?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
मैं बताती
ma'am,
हूँ बेटा।
ma'am, आया समझ में?
आया समझ में तो गलत कर रखे बेटा सारे। देखो 50,000 कैसे लिखा जाएगा? वेट अ मिनट, सी प्रणव कैसे लिखा जाएगा 50,000? सी प्रणव 50,000 50 के बाद कॉमा आ जाएगा। सी आई एम टेलिंग यू द फर्स्ट वन। प्रणव ध्यान से देखना बेटा। ओके
हाँ, ma'am.
सी आई एम टेलिंग यू 15,000 कैसे 15 कैसे लिखते हो आप? 15 कैसे लिखते हैं?
FIFTEEN.
हाँ
FIFTEEN.
अरे नहीं बेटा, नंबर में, नंबर्स में कैसे लिखते हैं 15?
Ma'am, 1 and 5.
1 and wait a second, 1 and 5 लिखते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो 1 5 15,000 1000 आ गया तो we will put one comma here. अब 20 कैसे लिखोगे?
Ma'am, 20.
20 15 comma 20 कर दोगे? नहीं बेटा, 3 digits होंगे तो 0 2 0. There should be 3 digits. 3 digits होने चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am.
नायशा करेक्ट करो, सारे रॉन्ग है बेटा क्वेश्चन सी के। नायशा यू एबल टू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, leave one line in between whenever you write the questions. And see, beta, I mentioned here question B, not question 2. Do not change the question number. Never change the question number. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Naisha?
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
What, ma'am?
ma'am, first can I send the please, then I will send the C. Can I?
What are you saying? Speak again.
Ma'am, first I will send the question B, then can I send question
Okay.
C because
Okay.
I'm
But
writing
Naisha.
questions.
Okay. Naisha. See. First of all, leave one line in between. This is the mistake. And second mistake is you have to mention the correct question number. If I've written question B, you will also write question B. All right? If I write question 1, you will also write question 1. So mention question B. Let me read your answers. 20,000, 25, 89,009. And no need to use the word A and D in between. And. Because unnecessarily it becomes bigger. Okay?
It just sounded a bit weird without the and, so I wrote it.
20, 40,000, 12. Yes, Naisha, your answers are absolutely correct. Very good. But change the question number. That's it. Okay, Arav also sent me. Arav, where is your second answer?
Ma'am, I am writing second answer. Ma'am, I am on third question. Ma'am, I am on third. Ma'am, I have sent my work.
Okay, very nice, Athya. Good. Are, who is this? Rana, who will write the question number? Question C के questions कौन लिखेगा? मैं? Who will write down the questions of question C?
Okay, ma'am, I am writing.
Write down the questions also.
Ma'am, we have to write questions also.
Obviously, yes. Whenever you are doing the work in notebook,
mention the question number also.
Do this.
Because बेटा I always change the digits. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा मैंने क्या क्वेश्चन दिया था? मैं हमेशा क्वेश्चन चेंज करके देती हूँ. बुक वाले क्वेश्चन देती नहीं मैं नोटबुक में. तो आपको क्या पता चलेगा कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? Jaskaran, your writing is getting dirty day by day. You know that? You know that, Jaskaran?
And what you're saying?
Your handwriting. How is it going these days? कैसी चल रही है आजकल तुम्हारी handwriting? Tell me yourself. Jaskaran, tell me. क्या हुआ? Are you sad today? Are you sad today, Jaskaran?
Oh, ma'am.
लग तो रहा है तुम तो हमेशा स्माइल करते रहते हो. आज क्या हुआ है? Jaskaran तो हमेशा स्माइल करता रहता है. मुझे तो स्माइली फेस याद है. Jaskaran is always smiling face. If I remember Jaskaran, I remember Jaskaran with a smiley face. Always. आज क्या हुआ? आज something happened. डांट पड़ी है मम्मी से.
No,
फिर
ma'am.
क्या हुआ है? फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है? फिर क्या हुआ है?
Ma'am, because today ma'am, because
हाँ हाँ. Well, tell me.
always like I
Speak in
can
Hindi.
speak properly.
You can speak in Hindi if you want. क्या हुआ है Jaskaran?
Ma'am, because I am sleepy today.
Because we are feeling sleepy today. Oh. तभी आज इतनी गंदी हैंडराइटिंग में वर्क आया है ना? I can recognize from your handwriting only कि क्या भेजा है. वही मैं कह रही हूँ इतनी गंदी हैंडराइटिंग Jaskaran की कैसे हो गई है? Go and wash your face after this, okay? Otherwise, answers are correct. Handwriting should be neat and clean, Jaskaran, next time. Varshita, I'm checking your answers. Wait a second. Let me download your answers.
Ma'am, first I send only I'll send this the answer, okay, ma'am? Ma'am, I send my math.
Okay, Varshita, let me check Varshita's answers. Yes, very nice, Varshita. बेटा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन नहीं करा है. Who is this? अक्षदा, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन नहीं करा आपने. 30,059 अक्षदा. Jaspreena, अच्छा. Jaspreena, second one answer. Okay, Jaspreena, very nice. Varshita correct. Ola correct. Gojasvi, I'm checking Gojasvi. Yuvraj Gupta, you're sending answer too late. क्या हो गया युवराज गुप्ता को? Be quick, everyone. And beta, those who have not done it, take a screenshot of it because this period is going to be over. This period is going to be over.
Ma'am, this
Beta, see. Who is this? Yuvraj Gupta. Yuvraj Gupta, listen. Wait a second, Ashrina. Yuvraj Gupta. Beta, when we write number names, we do not write thousands in S. Thousand में S we do not put. We put thousand S तब लगाते हैं बेटा जब हमारा number place value में लिखते हैं. When we write in place values. Okay, not like this. यहाँ पर से thousands रब करो युवराज.
Yes.
Hundreds, SS रब करो बेटा.
Yes, sir. Yes, beta, I remember.
Okay, Ayushman, spelling of 8 is EIGHT.
Yes, I remember. All right, it's time for the class to get over. So you all can get ready for your next class.
Beta, those who have not done it, take a screen.